Someone found a dog laying on the side of the road. The dog was very emaciated and wasn't moving, and they assumed he was dead. When they approached the dog, he moved. He was alive, but he was in serious trouble. Help was immediately called, and a local rescuer rushed to get to the dog. The dog, named Watson, was taken straight to the vet. Samantha, one of Watson's rescuers, said that he didn't even try to get up when she approached him. She carefully got him into her car. The vet said that the 10-year-old Watson had a lot of medical issues. He had heartworms and heart disease, several missing teeth, 2 different types of mange, and was severely emaciated. Because of all of his issues, it was assumed that Watson had spent most of his life chained up. Even as sick as he was, Watson started to feel better. He drank and ate and wagged his tail non-stop. Most important was that Watson was safe and no longer alone. Houston K911 Rescue took Watson in. They are going to keep him happy and comfortable when he recovers from his ailments. Anna Barbosa from Houston K911 Rescue said that they are going to be the guardians Watson should have had all along. He will only be getting cuddles and cushions from now on. Samantha decided to foster Watson until he's healthy enough to be adopted. Watson's new friends threw him a re-birthday party. Samantha said Watson was very excited and couldn't wait to eat all the cake and cookies. Good luck, Watson. Share away, people.